When I was looking at colleges, I realized I really wanted a small school with small class sizes, like kind of a personalized education where I got to, build relationships with professors and with my classmates.
And I wanted that feeling of like kind of a family, just being so far from home. I think that's something that I really needed. The ability to play a sport was also a great plus.
Students are helping each other study for exams and people aren't comparing test scores, and it just feels very positive, and people are in group chats and making Quizlets to like help work towards common goals.
Being an athlete at Oxy has been, I think, my favorite thing about going to school here. It gave me a family on campus. It's the people that I spend most time with, the coaches that have gotten to know me so well since I was a first year when I came here when I was 17. And it's given me something to work on and get better at over the years.
I'm a middle hitter on the women's volleyball team, and that's like the place where I've met a lot of my close friends. We spend a lot of time together when we're in season and then also in the spring. But I've also found like friendships through classes and clubs that I do.
I think because it's a small school and we all are so connected, I get to kind of dabble in things all over the place. I don't have to choose one lane. And that's exactly why I wanted my college experience to be